You most likely already know that baking soda is commonly used in baking due to its ability to help with cooking. However, baking soda has many different uses that range from promoting our overall health to being used around the house for a variety of reasons. Let's discuss some of the important uses of baking soda that we can start to use today. First, baking soda is often used to treat acid reflux symptoms, or what is commonly referred to as heartburn. This is caused by acid coming up from out of the stomach, reaching our esophagus, generally caused by overeating or consuming spicy foods. Baking soda can help to neutralize stomach acid and treat heartburn. Just add a teaspoon of it to a glass of cold water and consume the mixture. Baking soda can also be used as a natural deodorant for our bodies. This is especially helpful for under the arms, where bacteria is broken down, which can create an unpleasant odor. Baking soda can help to eliminate this by reducing the acidity. Try patting some baking soda under your arms as a natural deodorant. Facial scrubs and body exfoliants can be quite expensive when purchased from your local retailer. Baking soda offers a less expensive and invigorating facial and body scrub. To create this scrub, use 3 parts baking soda to just 1 part water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the desired areas of the face and body in a gentle circular motion to exfoliate the skin, then rinse clean. This can be done several times a week. Have less than desirable fridge odors? This can occur from foods in the fridge having been left in too long, or just from not having cleaned your fridge for a certain amount of time. Baking soda can actually help to freshen the smell of your fridge and neutralize unpleasant odors. This is extremely helpful since it can help to eliminate these odors, rather than just mask them. Just place an open box of baking soda in the back of your fridge for best results. Baking soda is also a very versatile natural cleaner and cleanser. This makes it great as a kitchen cleaner as it not only eliminates odors, but is also able to remove unwanted stains and marks. Use baking soda to make a paste by adding a small amount of water to it, and then apply the paste to a sponge or cloth, which you can use to scrub thoroughly. This will help clean appliances such as your oven, microwave, or even sink drains. It can also work as a natural home remedy to whiten your teeth. This is attributed to baking soda's mild abrasive properties that allows it to break down stains and unwanted molecules on the teeth. It also has tremendous antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can get rid of bacteria and freshen breath. Lastly, baking soda can be used as a natural product to help improve the look and quality of your hair. You can apply a small amount of baking soda into your desired choice of shampoo. Shampoo as per usual, and be sure to rinse thoroughly. The baking soda will help to remove unwanted residue from the hair, leave it clean and more manageable, and also help to improve the health of our scalp due to its antibacterial properties. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.